nagila 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 oh vilagida adu nagila oh nagila 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 oh vilagida adu nagila.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Limitless BWL. Today I have a Diwali get ready with me for you guys. So this is also a perfect look for like if you're going to like a formal or anything like that, because it is kind of glam, or even like a reception. Wherever you want to wear it, you can wear it. So yeah, that being said, I got this beautiful outfit from Amaya's boutique. I'll show you guys the entire outfit later. I know you guys have always asked me to show you the entire outfit. I almost have never, just because the space I had didn't really work for me, but now since I moved into my own place, we have enough space to finally do that. So I will show you guys the entire outfit, but before that, let's go ahead and put the jewelry on. So this is the beautiful set that they gave me. Okay guys, so I just went ahead quickly and just primed my eyes with P. Louise base. I love this. You guys know that this is the number 4. It's a little bit light for me, but I still use it. And I also just put a little bit color right in my crease, because this powder right in my crease, because this crease is really quick, and since we're going to be talking, I don't want it to crease. But we're going to go ahead and play with the new Huda Beauty and Naked Obsessions palette. So I do have all 3 of them, so I'll just quickly go through them. This is the Nude Light. Of course, everything's going to be pretty washed out right now just because of my lighting. This is the one we're going to be using today, and this is the Nude Medium. So you can see I already dug into that shade. And finally, we have the Nude Rich. So I'm just going to go ahead with this really deep brown shade right here with the dense blending brush, and we're going to pack this color right into the crease. This is going to be like a very kind of basic look that I always do, but it'll be perfect for Diwali because I know a lot of you guys love using your neutrals. I'll also do something with a little bit more color next, so just stay tuned for that. Okay guys, I just changed the color, the lighting a little bit, because I felt like that was way too bright. So hopefully this one is a little bit better. Let's see. Okay, hopefully this is better. Gotta play with it and see. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with this kind of burnt shade right here, just to blend everything out. As you can see, I'm just going right over all of that, just blending that deep shade out, the first shade we put. Now we're gonna go back in with that same deep shade, and as per usual, just build it up right here. Oh, my phone. I'm just going to go in with the rich one too, just because I want a little bit more depth. So I'm going to go in with that dark brown right here and just plop it in right there. Sorry guys, Swarna, my friend, is trying to come up in my building. It's just a little really tight on the security, so she's just having a hard time, so she keeps calling me. But yeah, I'm going in with the the MAC pomade in the shade Layin Glow, and we're going to just cut the crease. Do you want to come say hi to my YouTube video?
Hi! Wow, I like this. Have you started?
Yeah, I can too.
Oh yeah, you have.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and use this gold shade. I've already used it once, and honestly it's so beautiful. So I'm just going to take like a dense, like a normal eyeshadow brush actually, and we're just going to fill up the whole area that we put the pomade on. Okay guys, now I'm just going to add some liner with eyeshadow, just because I really enjoy doing that versus actual liquid liner. Like, I have started to get back into liquid liner, but not too much. So yeah, I'm just going to take this dark brown again and really put it as close to the lash line as possible. This does not need to be neat because the purpose is to look a little smoky. I just bring it right into the outer third as well, just to really blend it out. So I just went ahead and put on some lashes. They look a little crazy right now because they're super dramatic, and clearly I only have my eyes on. Now we're going to go ahead with the Farsali Liquid Glass. I use this mainly for special occasions, but I absolutely love it. So let's just go ahead and put 3 dabs on our face. I love how radiant it makes my skin look. Next, I've been loving the Tatcha blank canvas. I always just put it right in my smile lines and right on my cheeks as well, because that's where I have a lot of pores. It honestly helps with my smile lines so much. I just had to go fix up my lashes a little bit because, I don't know, they look a little bit wonky. So now I'm going in with this Makeup Forever color corrector and just focusing it around my mouth. You guys know the drill when it comes to my color correction. Now I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in Mocha, and we're just going to go ahead and apply it. It's almost done, so I need a refill. Oh my god, I think it's actually done. No! Oh, I probably have enough for just this one face. Oh my gosh, I'm actually so sad right now. I'm actually gonna go in with the Estee Lauder one now because it is done. I think it's the first foundation I've ever actually like 100% fully completed. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and we're just going to apply this right under. This one does dry a little fast, so make sure you blend it right away. Go ahead a little bit with the Naked Naked Skin Concealer too, just to brighten it a little bit, because you guys know I like my concealer really bright. So let's go ahead and just blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Powder in Kunafa. I know right now this looks like it's like a full face of Huda Beauty, but it's not. Dusting it all off. Okay guys, so I have something new to show you guys. So I actually have been obsessed with contouring my face with this brown shade from the James Charles palette. I don't know what it is. I absolutely love it. So that's what we're going to do today as well. Just going to take this Huda Beauty contour brush and literally just press it right in. As you guys can see, the color is so nice on my skin. And then I'll just use the other side for my nose. Jawline. And of course, the forehead. Okay guys, so I'm going to go in with this blush. I'm honestly just going to mix all 3. And I'm going to really overdose it. I have been loving wearing a lot of blush. I feel like a lot of people have been asking me how my skin is looking so glowy recently. And I feel like doing this has been making my skin look super glowy. And I think it's because it's like adding a lot of color to my skin. Now I'm going to go in with my current favorite highlight, which is Beam the Haters by Ofra. Just look at that. Taking that same color, just plopping it right in the inner corner as well. So normally this is the part where I would really smoke out my under eye, but I feel like I do that all the time. So I'm not going to really do that. I'm just going to go back in with this brown and just lightly brush the shade right under the eye. Now I'm going to go in with this super bold shade called Uniformly Fabulous by MAC Cosmetics. And we're just going to go ahead and apply it. Okay guys, so here is the final makeup look. My lips are still drying, hence why it looks a little bit wet, but this is a matte liquid lipstick. I haven't worn a dark liquid lipstick in so long, so this feels a little bit weird. But if you guys remember when I first started my channel, I used to always wear dark colors. Not that I don't like it, I really love it, but it's just taking some time to get used to. So yeah, that is the final makeup look right here. I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of my outfit on. Okay guys, so here is the final look. I just went ahead and put the tick on. I kind of broke it, so me and like sort of had to like finesse this into the side over here. That's why I had to put my hair out like this. Long story short. And then also we had a really hard time putting the sari on because we both don't know how to drape a sari. So this is just kind of draped on how we imagined how a sari should look. And I'm going to show you guys my outfit right now.
நகிலா ஓ நகில நகில நகிலா ஓ விலகிடாது நகிலா ஓ பழகும் போது குமரியாகி என்னை வெல்வாய் பெண்ணே